Defamation. Yes, will be papa court. Kind of form. Because I'm in Chamo. Obi papa. And you got to get to her. A court. Now, court case, you know. Never defamation. Na. Jena.
Abusia ene Okatakyie Afrifa abechire mu dientia wani Kevin Taylor papa court case no judge no ebo asem ne guye ya twen ache se nka no kura bi betimi apie ame ye hu dientia judge no ebo ensem ne guye ene Okatakyie Afrifa wabewisa mayate emu enchiremu na eno ne kafaba media na yakofade ebesom mu timesem no ma subscribe page no I like video sa share comment say amaye se ne update bi ababo sabetumi akabi Samobekaya, me the video bi bekire mo efa Okatakyie Afrifa ene Kevin Taylor papa court case nsensem no ho ema Okatakyie Afrifa be posted to the page say wani Kevin Taylor papa court case no eye judge no oma dismiss asem na say court no abo asem nagu na Kevin Taylor so ebekire mu say oboa enya nokre ensam no da so konkon ho na Okatakyie Afrifa so etwa ntro ema Kevin Taylor kraka kire Okatakyie Afrifa say so ogidi yie say court no abo asem nagu dia ene onfa evidence Emra meche magana fo nyina ye hu sey no kre omu case no court no abo ensem no agu nene Okatakyie Afrifa abetu na no mutom wa bere se agu ama atwen ane ye twen se ebehu ensem no mukre no wa bekire mu adekodi apote pan e ba ye no nti court no ana se judge no ebo ensem no agu ye na mo meyen kwete Okatakyie Afrifa emra
defamation no yes will be papa court kind of form because I'm in Chamo. Obi papa. And you got to get to her. A court. Now, court case, you know. Never defamation. Na. Jena. Na nipa na 10 million.
Obedi akodi.
Obedi akodi. Tinko ti play moba. And who will judge? So on yes how.
Pepe oyene.
Tiafi be chiri. I'm for defamation. I say, defamation. I day. You call court and then see what court to go. At Tennessee, court to go. I fed ye demanded documents. Hey, Bobby, I fed ye demanded documents. Ne free bear 5 months in here. Okatakyie will go to jail. But you document biography. No one was who court or the defamation court. One chila document. I fed so many bubu onwa. I fed ye. Was it young for document match? Ewa bra wa adwene ketua se dwie so wa adwene nya ketua dia se court ma rulia ye twen kakra ansa na judgment aba
Precisely so.
because there must be deep writing of a judgment.
Exactly.
Obi also on the trust yes afa ye nchirim 2023 ana abrantie ya ayi ama apaputela kitchen boy am was ye didi ne papa tem na say obi a o ba bia mekoko ye ne ya obi etini papa de ye court defamation na me medical ka kire mo say asem bia no ameka no kronmu abisuru ana me wa lawyer for then say jejumo say da bia no shine shoe di akosu asante ono so saa o wa mo ye ni ade bebre lawyer for no bebre pam for lawyers.
Exactly.
More fire. It was ya no so de make court. Na me de emfa court nwura. Dabi o. Lawyer for. Akai. To a court no. When him say 2 years no almost no. O man di court case na chi ada. Tieni o. Change of government ba ye ya. No mo sha sia near. O mo file. You say. Eti dia ya ne se ukodu court wa kofi ya kase defamation kwa se kire se obi a defame obi a dia wo ka kire court ne se dia di kan me kwa Afrifa me kofi kwa akọ me eye bill me ti society mu na me wani monyam mabobredu baabi se bi society ni bume me wo ba maware me wo dibre bi na me ya adwuma bi e discover me na asumasi asem a waka ana watworo so when it comes to defamation there are two forms of defamation. Either libel by writing or slander by speaking. It will cast some chirobia. Sasam the bet me a defamation. A book money penny. Nemo na someone will can and now would draw a cartoon sa cartoon in the right thinking members of the society na gwen no omo hwe one omo gwen say ye no so one money di kwa na say gwen say ye akosua dia and ye friend innuendos. So another form of defamation. It is a wo court. One of the cardinal principles of defamation is say obeba be gina dakem ni atoto ano afa mrantie wo mo se da bi on papa do on mane ma dakem mesuma lawyer for you ready twel so be ba dakem chenio also manema ana wo court gobi unless you don't understand the processes your civil procedure wo court so there is a substantive law and there is procedural law. It is civil procedure no ebo wa asem no ade kono so one follow the processes you won't get there. It's your fee, no. There's one more, and I'm a lawyer, or more filing, near filing, yes, any idea. So when you're sharp lawyers, or my goodness, and I hear any idea near filing, said there must be a representation. More than some begin other came. You have two man, if you are two way, maybe I have a catch record, so when we and so maybe an maybe a chamu repeat 13 years a colebi. Society in him, so repeat 13 years a colebi. Maybe I'm to a crowd tones as many permunumians. It wouldn't be said your walker. See, they make you. Remember example. Say ebia na waton sa se kura mani pa mienu miensa it society yenim se wo kromfo ebi kura na position e kura wo no enya wo dia na mo abusua bi ye ni na wa eti ukoka kire court no a ese court ni timi gye wo ba court ni na be gina da kem ni ye hwe witness credibility ye hwe wo demeanor asana court no ana o mo se da bi o mo papa mba tie ni ye wo afa de na ka ho no say ye ne ye file the defense because substantive matter na gase ye maso we are doing the prelims your file application then quickly omo movie ye emotion say omo pe default judgment tie de tia no ye say aye papa kotiket wa case ye bewie ona be ka kire manfo ni say kotiket wa case ye bewie yesa e wa bra na case ni kwa substantive matter ni ye nko so. If say court for defamation and there are so many defenses for defamation, it could be a fair comment. Any other thing is available to hear the defendant. So at this point, when this guy thought that you file a defense, and quickly movie yes pay default judgment. Default judgment and say Saudi Asama court next will be filing the defense. Ne brena so no catch the court so filing the defense there and your court no mame a judgment. So this is what this guy did. On any lawyer no movie motion so pay default judgment. But there are court cases. So Supreme Court ruling it is binding on the lower courts, Court of Appeal and High Court. There are several Supreme Court judgments. It emphasizes say when you file an affidavit of claim and a lawyer for the you cannot come back and ask for default judgment. Affidavits of claim. And this is pure knowledge in law. Right knowledge in law. Have a movie or motion and yet now adia cheni ya ba be ma ruling on the whether or not ombenya default judgment na branch ye ba no abetro e wone judge no say judge ne set up it's when him say funny enough I did not even knew say ye judge no abema warning so me most watch to am say we waka ne ho or go after obi it may find out judge no just for me to know say oh ye judge no obetina case ni so anopa no justice Elfrida no and akwa we hunra no it's and you see what me remember president Danny there is a video all warning Mahama ni Julius the Brane be bo kire omo okay this guy kept on saying so for me what court now they can't court no anybody me what the court remember me and he kept on lying to the people we go jail and I be saying without any substance and there was so obusa for day judgment in the ama and the ho you be ko akwaje be redia mama for dem wo sa kwa we when you file for a year affidavit of claim, you don't go back to the court and say that I want default judgment. This is simple knowledge. ana akọ na court no say kokop be bitna
uni case
unless offer procedure no so proper procedure and some procedure no papa ba betna da kem and wo sheda na no pa no wo de awuramra afa mu enti awuramra no bia ye awuramra ma fo munti
from the president to the last person in the NDC. I'm not scared of anybody. Me, I am not scared of anybody in the NDC. We didn't wait for you people to come and continue the same nonsense. From the president to the last person at Jubilee House who is in charge and condoning this nonsense. And I've directed this to the Chief of Staff's office, Julius Deborah, the last time I mentioned your name. The reason I'm mentioning your name is because I know that your office, the things you people are doing there, I don't agree with it. Maybe the president haven't heard what I'm saying. Take it to him. If you don't take it to him...
Hold on. See the stupidity and the buffoonery in which he is ordering a chief of staff. Maybe the president hasn't heard it. Take it to him. See the way this guy is ordering Julius Deborah about. Maybe the president and you, Julius Deborah, I am speaking to you.
Because the last time...
Just look at him.
Look at him. Fire burn him.
And there's a character who says he will take matter to court.
More fire.
And when you remember, make Afrifa. It's almost filing for default judgment. Court now more default judgment. Now swapper, yenti one and the man this for.
That your job as the chief of staff, and how many chief of staff do you have? We have an advisor to the president, Valerie Sawyer. You are also part. I'm sending this message to you. Take it to the president. Callistus Mahama, you are the secretary to the president. I'm sending this message to you. Take it to the president. Standogbe, I am sending this message to you. You people, the president is too busy, and if you people think you don't want to send a message to the president, I will find a way to send it to the president. But I'm sending you 4 people. If anybody thinks they are big,
pause. Look at the demeanor. But I am sending you 4 people. NDC, wait. I'm sending you 4 people. If you people don't take it to the president, I'll find a way to get you to the president.
More fire.
Never papa. Osman papa. Ayo do my Nana flowers. They are cockers and Macamiu, not 10 million going in hookies. Now go fiade ba kone say, put me court. Na ebia ye kasa we kromfo. It will say there be a defaming. Ba ko drew a. Ebia na ye kromfo na ye. Na ye rapist. It court no ye provision na ye rapist. Court no be ka say there be. Deserve it. Ebu akura no ultimate na defamation no. But who ask for 10 million? Ba court no betimi ahwe on flowers ntoma ya ufrefra. Also ebia mema 1000 Ghana. Said the announce ni ka Japan die ye. Eti we no ni ade no. And one also was sending Julius Deborah. Look at the way he talks to them. But I better say you to America. I'm ordering you. Send them more.
Want you people should walk out of the Flagstaff house. Nobody get time for anybody. For now, I'll make it sound like the president hasn't heard it. That is why I've mentioned names. Julius Deborah, I've mentioned your name. Valerie Sawyer, I've mentioned your name. Callistus Mahama, I've mentioned your name. And I've mentioned Standogbe, you 4. I don't want to hear any of you are involved in this nonsense. And in 24 hours to 48, 72 hours, by Monday or Tuesday, changes needs to be done. Into nobody should think, say.
Danny, so this is a Jataba no in the bed. Obey more fire. I'm ordering you. Oh, the Julius Deborah. Now, me Julius Deborah, me need Juma. And you ma woman the boys in a year, you know. Means me Cassentiana. Also, the board, the kind of respect.
Precisely.
Oh, I'm ordering you. I see. A court case in the Okoi. Processing in here. Now, go fi. Say, opposite yes, our two case in this one. Just was our kwashasi free. We got me more free legal education. Sa kwashasi bra. Now, for papa be bad akem. I know you want to make us papa bad akem. I know dear. Hey, you wouldn't remember. Oh, so the case is not finished. Now, who asking for default judgment? And then Chiremon want to ask you, who not getting a year, Radiname? Okay, so Daniel Gori in Ghana, default judgment is a legal ruling in favor of a plaintiff when a defendant fails to respond to the court summons or enter appearance within a prescribed time. This judgment is based solely on the defendant's inability to respond, not on the merits of the case. So that's it.
Precisely.
No.
In the case in India, default judgment no movie. You too. And I know what 10 million. 10 million be any. Why what down? 10 million be any.
The whole thing, sir.
See, I know for 10 million. Na case no ne papa ne papa na wako to we na person we green say this thing na him say me no ka say was send a text message to a Zoom lion threatening Zoom lion say Zoom lion akasa nkyere Paul admo kyere or no say guy we will go dirty on Zoom lion.
Look at him the baby
Owi ye no apapo say or control and I will go dirty. And all ye no. That's a bremiska. Yes, idea.
I know you scored the other. We didn't got idea on Tom Papa. Nipa rotate grumpy. What is guy?
Gompio. Depression, frustration.
Tino betra can quasi.
Cooper chains not.
Cooper chains. Now no call back and between. And this in winning one was also Cooper chain. Way. Sometimes the lacos ne be me answer. A blue one no asisakoi. And this winning ye yan wash as yasha lane set e bia no kuma chain debo. Kwasi ase. That to Cooper. That to Cooper chain. Gobi. And this winning ye and one will change. Krasini, we no Australia, no the nipa etitire siwo. The dear hunter for what?
Such a character.
More fire.
Edi, Mumisa is the court case, you know. Continental court case, the Kosi say.
Say the others who is a document.
Na document on the beach. But you see, there's a video. Now Okatakyie for real task. There be am catch him say this guy, or ye evil, or ye callous, or ye deadly. And any quantity na sakwawi. And kemaba two John Bruno said we see the matem or fed delay the dinner tem, no the delay award the dinner tem. Or to me fan na ya brefo. Na sabi kofi. And kana na ya brefo yare. Na ni womb be kuno. Cancer betum. Na se sabi imprediasa. Na ya brefo ko yine cancer any womb. Sabi yo benya nkwa. Yetime de ade we siri nipa. Unless we are poor. We are callous. Na yes ade no. Obia wana ne suma semu delay ana delay ngoi na menua bema se delay ko ne mpaso a esu osu kire ni nyame wonim muasa ti me fa di pesi wo e dia ya yade e hye wo mu ne asoso nkwase asemu su journalism obi ti me fa sa ko dia yire we di dinner tem ni asoso so say journalism afia pokuya ti me twa afia pokuya da pass na bia kan na ne yire ne kunu kwase mpani na ne kunu abeka wo na afa be ka kire mo say akwa we or edited documents now says what Jimmy no wadwini mo ha o ka say you don't even think ave muntie de obeka or ka for real tasem and was say or request say yamfa you or request my hospital no emfa krata bi mra no but sa krata no odi muntie no.
I'm going to follow this up. I'm going to get to the bottom of this. I'll bring you all the facts. The lies Akadoforiata is lying to people. It's a hospital natural letter where they will let us know. And we will let Ghanaians know. I don't have anything to hide. Any response I'll get, we are pushing from another angle with some facts and some details. Anything we get from the hospital, I will not edit to one thing. I will put
hey. Dani jina ko chika krabine jina ho. Mum pay attention to words no issue here no go be. Already, he is very good at editing stuff to suit the oye. Also, the ref I say anything the hospital sends, I will not edit one thing. So question you say other ones in the way edit. Now we crown say I will not edit it. It means why edit here. So prejudice my argument. Answer. Kwasiasi. Muntie
some facts and some details. Anything we get from the hospital, I will not edit to one thing. I will put everything out. And then we will all, at the end of the day, know
It was anything I get, I will not edit one thing. The question is, or edit it I will not edit one thing. Anything I get, I will not edit one thing. Editor in chief. Na ne yire no. Or your chief editor of the New York Times. It was just yes, or yeah, trainer in Manila na PDS, WhatsApp chat, or editing. I'm catching him away pony or your colors. It will catch as anything I get, I will not edit one thing. It's the end I will edit to be free. Mumusano. Mumusano, yeah, and what not getting more honey or Casa on Rennie. Nana no betriawka and I know yes who soon say so we can try and the ben ayi ubebubu with them they say madani ananias ne safaria say safari also ananias ne ayi safari abua na obi twatro ana sebi previous obi obubu good dem owuo e ma understand sua nyansa wo kan wo busua nyina ka mu hunu ye yoda wo se de o si twatro gu nipa so se de abrante we si twatro egu nipa so obi makoseme abrante we
no fire.
When you Germany brain so, Obi, na se been previous. Obi ira kwa wo so, na wo mu nsem bebre. Na branch we ye close to a point say, one day me yire ba kura ne say ya, ye tia branch we ya, na asem o kan ne say, o yire kwa wo ma ya no awuo, na de kura no enche bia obewu.
More fire.
Just look at him.
Is that what you wish for people? This what? So that day, me sure said me yire reho in one. Obi, it was Adam say so this is what this guy has been doing to people in their homes. Kofa gona ma hima besi Obi. Now hima nya ne hwe bia. Good enu ase na ma repino. Ana na what Jimmy?
Oh, hini.
Good enu ase o poto. O se Obi etwa troa. Na ma repi agona man ma ana ma yesei na ma yesei owi enu de agona man ma picture beto no aye ana agona man ma ye repi no ana ye betu no ana fine.
Is that the issue?
Why are burn him?
Nyame be kum wo sa kwa we oni ade ya man fonti nyame be kum
More fire.
catch now.
More fire.
Said they will abuse people in their homes. Nyame be kum sikadwa be kum cause who abuse nkrofo. Said they will abuse ma e ma. Said na we oni yire papa bia cause o yire papa. Said we see abuse ma. Obi
Fire.
Oh, they are not man or budget so they feel liberated. Now, a business former. Now, can California Marshi. Now, we're home. What's that one? This would chop on the part. Now, one can kind. Now, move fee. Now, a dear corner.
More fire. More fire.
See you too. Miss Medina Susa.
Powerful.
Miana mohoro me samasaba zoom line won dress kama on dress kama chena o chena chika ho o so po bi na kokod because ya case mama na mka asem fa me kokod side the defamation na ba ko order sam pa ko ka ho
Fire.
wo dwan na me betua wo sa brante weka
Killer untia.
me se killer we de killer ntua
Killer untia.
good
Don't
don't be pessimistic. There we are going to abuse ma okroma pa odwene ho a and we unya na fefo ma e support sanko sese
fire.
na fefo ma o
Fire. No more fire.
and to and kan wo dan eti no odidi ma atem wani je no the beba ho one day
More fire.
when you have a feel of it you understand why as abrant you me say me Obi, there's a court case. Ruling was said if it was Assisi time, you would have seen what I would have done to you. And I want to repeat it to him. If it was Assisi time, you would have seen what I would have done to you.
Exactly.
You fool.
Exactly.
Okay, don't bother me, Shiramo. You have a sumo, and I had the DBC.
Okatakyie Afrifa chema, wase wo ye complainant. me na wa ba accuse me say magu hu fi ma defame hu makeka nsem a emfata de afa wo ho asai say wo ye ohenkase wudi nkrofo so ana say wo ye nipatitu o man mu no makeka nsem fi bi de agu hu fi wo accuse me say ma defame hu akoye me hu complain e de ama court ama ya fra asem no na me da chen makra mte kwa minim say me a complainant makwa accuse wu say wa gu me hu fi e na dan so a court no ana say judge no be fra asem no men the complainant no minim ye say e was say me ye present at the court ai if say me na makoye complain me accuse you so wagu me hu fi enti me the complainant no me nim hwe kura ne me da ache hima me nim hwe kura no me nim say me accuse you so wagu me hu fi me nim say edan na ye bekwa akotena asem no so no me the complainant I need to be present at the court e was say me wo court wo e ma ensam pote na me complainant no me edi gu so say wagu me hu fi hu akansam bone de afa me ho no I was saying mitimi kwa bese ema court and I said judge no ehu ensem fi a wo kan de kire me ema enu ntimi so mi gina so e de accuse you say wagu me hu fi na so Okatakyie fifa e kire ma o se wo mo de no ekoye the other way round ne o kire ma o se nya de akavintela be mo papa aba be pemu e wo court wo na complainant a wo accuse will be of something the fame no e wo se wo ho no mo wa ma me cheche nsem ni ma e be de na me judge matimi agina asem no so na ma wuli e de ama Ozo wo hwe ani mu se me judge no menka wa asam no emfama efisa wo ye nipa kese na eyagu hu fu na bra be nsem ni entimi nyina so enwuli asam na omba court mesi den na matimi ewuli asam no in favor of you also patent ne bra court be che wunsem a osi da bi accused person no was at the court but you the complainant no you didn't go to the court one court wo ankwa ka wunsem ama judge na hu ensem a the accused person no e kan edigu so eno no Okatakyie fifa echi ma wo say we na judge no hwem semu no na wo hwe mra mecha laws na e wo Ghana ha no eno odi ebo nsem no to gui na che say the complainant no one court accused person ni mom aba na wo complainant no one dia na che say ensem no kura no sebe unye serious e wo case no nti wo say dismiss case no na e case for so na numu kura no msan so e de eje mpatade 8,000 Ghana cedis no e requested dia free Kevin Taylor papa wo dia Okatakyie fifa na che say wasa asene mre afi na mate ase de nti ana ommo sanso e demand 8,000 Ghana cedis there free Kevin Taylor papa ho e de Okatakyie fifa who accuse no of something defamed wa back court wo the complainant no one back court nti wo say sanso eje mpatade e de ma Okatakyie fifa if say wa mana sene mre e de back court afi na Okatakyie fifa wo de ensam ni mu details no aba beto abonten ama ye hu de nti a woni Kevin Taylor papa court case no judge no ebo ensam ni gu ye kra Emma Empo osanso Jessica Aside free Kevin Taylor papa ho e de ama Okatakyie fifa. Eti me gidi yes evidence na Kevin Taylor requested the free Okatakyie fifa ho. Se wo mekire mu de nti akọt no ebo asem no wi na se dia odi nkuni montentan video se court abon nsem na gu wa really dia ma no o mekire mu no. Me gidi yes we be ma Kevin Taylor ehu de nti Okatakyie fifa na wo di ahim montentan video se wa no papa court case no wadi wo muso enkunim. Ene Okatakyie fifa na abechiche nsimu amaye nyina ana se ye na ne ye hwe ni mu se inokure ba beto dwa no ene wadidi esi ye wo court honom aba beto dwa am ye hu de nti a court no ana se judge no ebo ensam eda wani Kevin Taylor papa ntem no eguye aha Kafaba media mesam na ma subscribe page no a like e video sama share comment se amaye se ne de update bi aba mo sabitumi akabi mi din de da che hema ekwa akwatima makram